Hi you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Anita, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a wig review. This is my first wig review, you guys, and I'm excited because the color that's in this box, yeah, y'all gonna be shocked because y'all know I'm a natural jet black type of girl. I don't really fool with the color too funny, but I think this is about to be perfect for the weather change, going into spring. It's heating up a little bit. You want to look a little sun-kissed already. This is about to be perfect. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this look, stay tuned to the video. So when we open the box, the first thing we get, let's see the little goodies that they gave us, y'all. Well, gave me. So we get an HD cap. It's two, but y'all know I put one on my head already because my hair is tacked down. And the wig. Really, that's all you really need, because sometimes they be giving you them lashes and they don't be worth a cuss. Baby doll lashes. Who about to wear them? Anyways, it just come in the standard package. A little ASMR. Sorry, you guys, if it's too loud. And then we got the paper on the inside. Look at all this at, child. Bye. It comes with a net on top of it, which is great to protect the curls. But y'all see this color? This is about to pop off something crazy on my skin complexion. Do y'all see this color? We're going to take this net off. The hair is soft already. There's no smell coming from it. Y'all know I'm pregnant, and if the smell is going crazy, I can let you know. Now, this wig did come pre-plucked, pre-cut. What else we got? Are the knots pre-bleached? The knots is looking pretty decent. We're going to see how well they looking. Let's get into the construction of the wig. So we do have, this is supposed to be a glueless closure wig, so we won't have to, you know, you shouldn't be having to melt the lace down and all that stuff. It should just be plop on and go, but of course you got to do some adjustments to your skin tone and things like that. But the inside is constructed like so. We have our wig strap, combs. We have 1, 2, 3 combs on the inside. One on the bottom. And this is adjustable, so if you need to make it tighter, looser, however, you are able to do so. You can also remove this strap, so that is a great addition. If you don't really want to use this as glueless, then they still have the standard adjustable straps on the inside to make it tighter to your head. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece off. I'm going to go ahead and get into this. Hopefully I don't have to adjust this too much, but we're going to go ahead and put it on and see how the fit is first. I mean, it's snug now. It is a snug fit, okay? We're going to have to go in, do some alterations because of course the lace is way too light. We're gonna have to darken that up, but the parting space looks really nice. We're just gonna add a little bit of corrector in there and get everything with some nice color to match my skin. Let's go ahead and get into customization, okay? Because obviously I'm not going outside with my hair looking like that. If you guys are enjoying this video, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Love It family over here. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so let's get into this voiceover. We are going to be going in our pressed powder, Maybelline Fit Me, the shade 362. And we're going to put this all over the lace that could be exposed, just to make sure it's matching our skin tone once everything is melted and put together. I'm just going to add this got to be on top of that just so it can seal in that powder. And you guys can see that that ended up giving us a very nice color. I also added that same pressed powder to the actual cap so that it wouldn't be so harsh underneath the lace. I actually like using the pressed powder over the liquid or the cream because I really don't want it to end up seeping through to my hair too much. But we're going to go in with our Got2b and just put that around the perimeter of our hairline so we can begin to melt down this lace, because I didn't like that it was buckling too much. Well, not even buckling. It's just that I have a really big head, and to add on top of it with the hair that's in the back and the protective cap, it was giving really, really snug. So I felt like it just kept lifting and sliding back. So I decided to do the melting option, and I melted it down just with the Got2b. Didn't use any glue. I don't even own glue, so just with this spray I ended up achieving this look. So I'm going to go in and band it. I think I ended up banding for probably like 15-20 minutes, and you just want to allow that to melt and dry completely before you go and start manipulating the hair. So at this point, I'm just taking my hot comb and just pressing some more Got2b up into the hair so that I can get a raised look in the front, so it's not so flat. I just like that look. And as you can see, this cap is not moving. The Got2b is strong enough to keep it in place. Right here, I'm just going to go in and pull out a couple strands so I can do some face framing layers. I'm going to take my shears and angle them downwards so that I can get that layered look, not so blunt of a cut. And honestly, when you do these enough, you don't have to measure where you're cutting at. It's really going to just be how you see it, and you're going to just cut. So I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side, but holding it at the opposite direction. And I'm going to create those layers. And as you can see, just from cutting those layers, it already has a curl to it. I didn't have to go in and curl it yet, but of course I'm still going to go in and add some curls. So I did end up adding baby hairs in the front because my forehead was looking ginormous, okay? Just to be clear, I did go in and add my concealer shade to my part so that it'll be a little bit more defined so it wouldn't look so wiggy. That is a very important step. Do not forget to add concealer to your part. You do not want your wig to look like a wig once you're done. So right here, we're just going to be curling this hair. It's nothing really to it. You're going to hold it and make sure it cools down just a little bit. It is going to be very hot to the touch, but you want to hold it so that curl can form, and then you just let it go. And it's going to turn out to be such a beautiful curl once you're done completely. So you guys just sit back and enjoy this curling session. I did speed it up a little bit because it did take a little while, but enjoy. And this is the end of that side being completely curled. You guys see how pretty that last curl was? I was really obsessing over that one curl. It came out so nice. But we're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. I know y'all probably getting tired of me saying it, but if you are enjoying this video up until this point, if you're even still here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Share this video with any and everybody that you know. And then we're going to go through with our wide tip comb and break up these curls, starting with this side first. I definitely could have cut a little bit more layers in it just so I can get more stacking in the back, but this is pretty much straight out the pack. Okay, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. Y'all see that? You do like, you twirl it around your finger, all your curls should flow together. I'm just gonna break them up. But oh my gosh, y'all, this looks nice. This looks really, really, really good. Okay. And I'm surprised that I went with this bright of a color. I typically like, you know, the natural color or a very dark brown, but this is looking really nice up against my skin tone, popping out all those browns. All the melanin is popping out. Just a little bit of details on this hair. This hair is from Domiso Hair. They are an Amazon company. Wig is a closure 4x4. It is 24 inches long. I did not cut any length off of it. I just did framed my face a little bit with some shears because it was just straight down. So I cut a little bit of layers right here in the front just to frame my face just a little bit. And that's all, you guys. The part was already there. The part was constructed very well. I did put a little concealer here, and I ended up melting it down. This is supposed to be a glueless closure, but all I did was go in with my Got To Be spray, and I just did a little bit of that and lay my little baby edges down a little bit. But you guys can tell this is a closure wig because it doesn't go all the way across with the lace, but it fits really good, really snug on my head. And I know for a fact this ain't going nowhere. This is fitting really nice on my head. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you are enjoying my content. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.